Hello my dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject maths in standard 5th. In this video we will start chapter number 2 number work. We will solve questions from problem set 2. This is part 1 in which we solve question number 1, 2 and 3. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also to get my recent videos. So my dear children, today in this video we are going to learn about number work. Children, you all are been doing number work from your second, third standards. You all have learned to read and write numbers in decimal system using the 10 digit from 0 to 9. So this, whichever you all have learned, we will be doing the revision in problem set 2. So let us start solving the questions from problem set 2. First question is, using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers and read the numbers. So we will have to use these digits to write 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit numbers and 5 digit numbers. 10 numbers we will have to write, 10 2 digit numbers. So let us see how to write them. We can use any 2 digits. So as you all can see, I have written the question as it is on my page and then I will be writing the answer. So question is written. Now first I have made the columns 1, 2, 3, 4 column. First column I will be writing 2 digit numbers. Second column I will be writing 3 digit numbers. Third column 4 digit numbers and fourth column we will be writing 5 digit numbers. 10 numbers we will have to write. So 2 digits. Take any 2 digits and write the numbers. If I take first 1 and 2, it will be 12. Correct? We should not take 0. If you write 0, 1, it will be 1. So tens place digit should not be 0. If you write 0 as the tens place digit, it will be not 2 digit number. See children, I am showing here. If you write 0, 1, it is only 1. Okay, 0 is written as 10 place and 1 is unit place. 1 is units place digit and 0 is tens place digit. So when 0 is written as 10 place in 2 digit number, it cannot be considered. It will be 1. If you write 0, 2, it will be 2 only. If you write 0, 3, it will be 3 only. So don't write 0 in the tens place. You can write 0 in the unit place, but don't write in the tens place. So for making 2 digit number, you should not write 0 in the tens place. Now let us make 2 digit numbers. First we write 1 and then 2. So it will be 12. Correct? If I write 2 and 3, it will be 23. How to read it? 23. While writing, we will have to read also. Read the numbers. Okay. Now again, third number which is having 2 digits, I can take any 2 numbers randomly. I can write 76. Okay. 7 and 6. 76. I can take any 2 digits. I can take 9 and 0. It will be 90. It is again a 2 digit number. 0 can be taken in the units place. It should not be taken in the tens place, but it can be taken in the units place and the number will become 90 now. Now we can have 65 or 56. Anything you can write. 56 I can write here. I can write 32 also. 3 and 2, 32. I can write 87. I can write 38. I can write 29. 29, 29. I can write 56. 56 already has written, so I can write 54 also. So in this way, any 10 2 digit numbers we can write. It is not necessary my answer and your answer should be same, but you should see that all the numbers should be written properly. Now let us write 3 digit numbers. So any 3 digits I will be taking. While writing 3 digits number, 0 should not be placed in the hundreds place. We all know there are 3 places. Hundreds place, then tens place and then units place. So 0 should not be put on the hundredth place. Okay, if you put it on the hundredth place and in tens place 2 is there and unit place 3 is there, it will be 23. Because if it is placed at hundredth place, it will not have any value. This 0 will not have any value and it can be read as 23. So see that 0 should not be placed in hundredth place when we have to write 3-digit number. 0 can be placed in tens digit, it can be placed in units digit, but it should not be placed in hundreds digit because it is 3-digit number. We are going to write 3-digit number. So let us write 3-digit number now. I can take any 3 digits. For example, if I write 1, 3, 5. So how to read it? 135. If I write 5, 7, 8. How to read it? 578. If I write 9, 6, 4. It can be read as 964. If I write 9, 7, 0, it will be 970. If I write 7, 0, 2, it will be 702. If I write 3, 4, 6, it will be 346. If I write 1, 2, 3, it will be 123. If I write 2, 9, 5, it is 295. If I write 5, 2, 0, it will be 520. If I write 6, 9, 2, it will be 692. So in this way you have to read and write. First write it down and then read the numbers simultaneously. Very carefully you will have to write it. Now in 4-digit numbers. In 4-digit numbers again you should see that the 0 should not be written as the thousandth place. Okay. Now as it is 4 digits, so there will be thousand place, hundreds place, tens place and unit place, because we will have to write 4-digit numbers. So at thousand place 0 should not be there. You can write 0 at hundred place, tens place and unit place, but while writing 4-digit number, 0 should not be kept at thousands place. Now write 4-digit number. Any 4-digit, any 4 numbers you can write randomly from these numbers. So I can choose 6, 5, 8, 9. I have written 4-digit number. How to read it? This is units place, this is tens, this is hundreds and this is thousands. So I have to read 6,589. If I write 7, 6, 4, 1, so it will be read as 7,641. If I write 2, 0, 5, 6, so it will be 2056, because hundreds place there is 0. So 100 place digit cannot be read. It can be directly read as 2056. If I write 4, 1, 9, 6, it can be read as 4196. If I write 3, 1, 4, 7, it will be 3147. If I write 5, 6, 7, 8, it will be 5678. If I write 6, 7, 8, 9, how to read this number? 6789. If I write 8, 7, 9, 1, it will be read as 8791. If I write 8, 7, 0, 9, so it can be read as 8709, because tens place 0 is there. If I write 8, 7, 9, 0, at unit place 0 is there, so how to read it? 8790. Now let us go on 5-digit numbers. So I can write any 5 digits randomly, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have written 5 digits. How to read it now? Units place we start from tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. That means it is 56,000. We can put comma over here after 56. So it is 56,789. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So units place, tens place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000. So after 12 I will put a comma. It will be 12,340. So while writing 5 digit numbers, you should see that on this 5th digit 0 should not be there. Okay, and on 10,000 digit 0 should not be there. Now let us write maybe 3, 0, 4, 9, 6. So it will be 30,496. If I write 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. So it will be 56,734. If I write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1. So it will be 24,681. If I write 1, 0, 4, 6, 8. It will be 10,468. If I write 1, 2, 3, 0, 5. It will be 12,305. If I write 3, 9, 8, 7, 0. So it is 39,870. 4, 5, 7, 6, 2. How to read this number? 45,762. One more number we will have to write, so the question 1 will be completed. I can write 9, 8, 6, 5, 4. How to read this number? 98,654. In this way you can write 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers and write them very carefully and read them afterwards carefully. Now let us solve this second question. Fill in the blanks. We have given 3 columns. Devanagari numerals in first column, international numerals in second column and numbers written in words in third column. So Devanagari numerals you all have been learning. You all have done in your previous standards. International numerals we all have been learning from our junior KG, senior KG. And now you all know how to write the numbers in words. You should by heart all the spellings and then you can write the numbers in words. So first it is Devanagari numeral 2, 3, 5, 9. In international it is 2, 3, 5, 9. How to read it? 9 is at unit place, 5 is at tens place, 3 is at 100 place, 2 is at 1000. So that means 2000, 300. Last 2 digit, 5 nines mean 50 nines. So it is 2359. In this way we will have to write in the word. So let us see remaining 4 sums because first sum is solved. So first sum we have to write as it is. Second question is 3-2, not 3-2. How to read it in Devanagari? It is 3, 2, 7, 5, 6. So in international numeral 3, 2, 7, 5, 6. Correct. Now we have to read and write. It is tens, unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. When 10,000 is there, we have to take these 2 digits together, make the number 32 means 32 and then write 1000 after this. So it is 32,000. 7 it as hundreds place. So 700. 32,700. Last two digits are 5, 6 means 56. So in this way we will have to make the number 32,756. So write in word. How to spell 32? 30. THIRTY. 32. After 32 what should be written? 1000. 7 is at hundreds place. So write 700. And last two digits. Before last two digits write and 56. Okay. Now third question is, we have given in international numerals 6, 7, 8, 5, 9. So 6 means 6, 7 means 7, 8 means 8, 5 means 5, 9 means 9. Now read it and write in the words. 9 means it is at unit place, 5 is at tens place, 8 is at hundred place, 7 is at thousand place, 6 is at 10,000. When 10,000 is there, we take these two digits, make the number. Two digits are 6, 7, that means 67. After 67 we write the word 1000. So write 67,000. 67,000. Then 8 is at 100 place, so it will be 800. And remaining two digits are 5, 9. What 5, 9 makes? It will be 59. Okay. Now next one. We have given in Devanagari 1, 0, 3, 4. So 1 means 1, 0 means 0, 3 means 3, 4 means 4. Now read it. Unit 10, 100, 1000. So 1000. 0 is there at 100 place, so we don't write anything for 100 place. 1 is at 1000 place, so we write 1000. At 100 place 0 is there, so we don't write. Directly we take last two digits 3, 4, that is 34. 1034. Now in last question, words, number in words is given, and we have to write in international numerals as well as in Devanagari numerals. So what is given to us? 27,000. So 27,000, comma 800. 8 is at 100 place. And 95. 95. So in this way we can write the number 27,895. Write in the Devanagari. 2 means 2. 7 means 7, comma 8 means 8, 9 means 9, and 5 means 5. In this way we can write in the Devanagari numeral. Let's go on next question. Now let's solve this question number 3. As a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in the words. So first we will read them and then we will write in the words. First, for Kopargaon, how many numbers of bags are there? Let us start from the unit place digit. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. When 10,000 is there, we will have to take these two numbers together and then we have to put 1000 afterwards. So two numbers together is 12. After 12 we will be writing 1000. So it is 12,000. 7 it as 100 place. So 12,740. Correct. Now let us go on Shevgaon. Units place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place 10,000. In 10,000 we will have to take these two numbers together, 28 together. After 28 what should be written? 1000. So it is 28,000. At 100 place 0 is there, so we should not use 100 place. Now directly we write this 95. 28,095. In this way we will be writing about Karjat and Sangamner also. For Karjat, how to read this number? You need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Again 10,000 numbers are there. So we take these two numbers together, 31, and after that we write 1000. So it is 31,000. At 100 place 6 is there. So 600, and 8 is there. Directly 8 is there because tens place digit is 0. So how to read this? 31,608. Now last number, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means this two digit we have to take together, and then we write 1000. Two digits are 10. 10, 10. 10,972. So in this way we will be writing the numbers. So let us write the numbers in words. Let us write taluka wise numbers in words. Okay, so first taluka is Kopargaon. We write Kopargaon. We have read the number, now write in the words. So it is 12,740. So write spelling of 12, 12,000, 700 and 40. What is spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Now second taluka is Shevgaon. So we write for Shevgaon. We have read it already. Now we have to write 28,000. 28,000. 100 place there is 0, so we don't write. We directly write this 95 and 95. 28,095. Now for Karjat, third taluka is Karjat. How to read and write? It is 31,608. So write 31,600 and 8. All the spellings should be learned very nicely, okay? Then only you can write in the words. Now fourth taluka is Sangamner. How many plastic bags are provided? 10,972. So write 10,900 and 72. In this way you can write the answers of this question number 3. See children, in this video we have solved first 3 questions, question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and now remaining 3 questions 4, 5 and 6 we will solve in second part of this video. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.